Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue puppies, then you're in the right place. So today I have a super fun video because we are getting to that time of year, my favorite time of year, fall. So I know it's August, but fall is right around the corner and you got to snatch stuff up from the Dollar Tree for crafting while you see it, or else it will go away forever. So I have a really cute, fun DIY project for you guys today using mostly items from the Dollar Tree, but you can also upcycle a glass jar if you don't have the items from the Dollar Tree. But before we get into today's craft project, I have an announcement. I'm only 10 subscribers. Yes, 10 away from 400. Yay! I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for you guys. So, to celebrate my 400 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway. And what's in the giveaway, you ask? Well, let me show you. So, the first item will be this Farmer's Market calendar from 2023. Everybody loves these to craft with. So you can kind of see what's going to be on the calendars. And then I have this Home Sweet Home 2023 calendar with these items. And then if that wasn't enough, I have this bag. This is a really cute new with tags. All of this was purchased by me. Looney Tunes mini backpack with a coin purse. And there are goodies in this backpack because why would I send you an empty backpack? That's no fun. So let's see what's in the bag. So the first item in the bag is this trucker hat, which is super fun. We also have this lip smacker bubble tea lip chapstick. There is a Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafur Oil Intensive Hydration Mask for your hair. There is, what's in this box? Well, it is a watch set and bracelets. How pretty is that? And then I have a super cute journal. It says, every day is a new adventure. Embrace the journey, which you can embrace your journey with your cool backpack. And so to write in your journal, you're going to need something to write with, which I got you covered. I have this fortune pen, and every time you click it, it's a different fortune, so you can use it to write in your journal. And then I also have to take care of your face after you've been out and about adventuring. It is a Skin Ask. It is a brightening. It says step 1, gentle foaming cleanser. Step 2, Hydra and Essence. And step 3, a brightening charcoal mask for your face. And then the pièce de résistance, this super cute Life is Sweeter Than Friends Button Bazaar box from my friend Michelle, I speak, over at Button Bazaar. I will list her Etsy site down below. She has so graciously gifted me this box. She does a subscription box every season that you can get into, and she sells these really cute magnetic bases that you put little buttons on and you can interexchange them. So in this box of goodies, there is, sorry, it kind of came apart, this Best Bud, look at that pretty necklace. There is a thank you for being such a great friend keychain with a bumblebee and a little button to put on the outside. There is a day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside. And this one has the honeycomb with the magnetic base that you put your buttons on. And then there are a bunch of little buttons to put on your keychains. And then there are these really cute, like this one's my favorite. It says be kind. And they're just traditional like pins that you can put on like your shirt or your jacket. See, it has like a pin back. So, how do you enter to win all this awesomeness, you're asking? Well, here is what you need to do. You need to be a subscriber to my channel. You need to like this video. You need to comment down below what your favorite item from the giveaway is and the hashtag 400. That is correct, hashtag 400. I would also appreciate it if you wouldn't mind sharing with friends, family, people you might be interested, because when I get to 400 subscribers, which is only 10 more to go, I will come back to this video and I will pick a winner randomly who I will send all these goodies to, which also means you do need to live in the continental United States. I do apologize, friends. Shipping is just outrageous. Maybe one day I could ship internationally, and you do need to be over 18 with your U.S. mailing address. So this giveaway will continue until I get to 400 subscribers, and then I will close it out and draw a winner. And that winner will be announced in an upcoming video, so you have to stay tuned to make sure to see if you were the lucky winner to my giveaway. So as always, I appreciate you coming and spending the day with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can get in on this awesome giveaway. And I appreciate you guys. Sorry, it's on my laptop. I always do this, you guys. But anyway, so thank you so much for coming. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you're having a fabulous weekend. And then without further ado, let's get started. All right, for our project, you'll need one of these pumpkin jars from the Dollar Tree. They come in clear. They come in orange. Or if you can't find it, that's okay. You can also upcycle a glass jar and lid. You will need some of this Garland. That's just like I got from Floral Garden. It's just like a garland there. These wood stems. Some burlap ribbon, scissors, and my trusty glue gun. So this is going to be so easy, you guys. You're just not going to believe how easy this is going to be. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to take our glue gun and we are going to take a pumpkin stem, and we are just going to put some glue on the end of your stem and pop that bad boy onto your pumpkin. And then you can use ribbon or garland or both, whichever you prefer. So I just cut the ribbon down. And I am just going to tie some of this ribbon around my pumpkin jar. And then I'm going to take some of this garland as well and tie it. And then I'm just going to kind of play around with it till I get kind of like the little pattern or vines that I like. You can make it as long or as short as you want. So just kind of play around with it until you get it where you want. I think mine might be a little too long, so I'm going to go ahead and just trim off right by some of the garland there. And the same thing on this side. Oops. Oh no. Oh no. That's okay, guys. It's all right. It's fine. It's okay. Just twist it up like that. Now, if you want to, you can add some glue down here to make sure it stays. And actually, I think I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to lift mine up a little bit and put a little dab of glue there. And then, oh, I should have got my trusty spatula, guys. I forgot my trusty spatula. And then just push that down. And then you have your cute little pumpkin. And then, like I said, guys, if you don't have a jar, you can't find a jar, no need to fear. You can get the same results with a super cute jar here. So the same thing, I'm going to take some glue. I'm going to pop that bad boy right there onto the middle of my jar. I'm going to take my ribbon and tie it. You don't have to do the ribbon if you don't want to. You could just do like the garland. But I like the little look of the ribbon. And then I'm going to take my garland. Same thing. Wrap it around. Get it down there at the bottom and kind of twist it. Twist it on there, guys. Work it. You got to work it. Not liking how this is not. That's not going on how I want it. So, status update on my pumpkin patch for anybody that's keeping up with my saga. I have one pumpkin growing. I'm super excited. It's growing really well. I'm going to do a little video montage once the fall hits and it's completely grown. It is green, but that's okay because actually pumpkins start out green before they turn orange. So that's okay that it's green. It's all right. No need to fear. And then same thing, I'm going to cut off some of this excess. Hopefully don't cut the little beads off because that's just no fun. There we go. Put a little bit of glue down here. Keep it from moving around. Sadly using my scissors because I forgot my trusty spatula. The humanity. And then, ta-da! Isn't that cute? And then you can fill it full of candy. You can put cookies in it. You can put M&Ms, whatever you want. And you can gift them to your friends. You can gift them to your neighbors, whoever you want. And it's that easy, folks.